Lanas from Wadessa, Oulu.
And I'm Nicolas Pajonehai.
And we organize events. How do we do the work? We have a couple of our own festivals and events where we organize everything from marketing to dismantling the event to everything in between. But mostly we do events for other companies or cities, and they'll call us when they don't know how to organize it or they don't have the time on top of their own jobs.
When people come to the event, they mostly only see the end up product. They cannot understand what it all has to be done to have the event. And our job is to make everybody work together and make sure that people that come into the event enjoy it. We have also our own festival, Taikasaari, which is kind of our baby. It's a festival we've been doing for 4 years, I think.
Yeah, it's the 5th year now.
Yeah, it's the 5th year, yeah. And it's a festival where the people don't know what's happening there, so everything is a surprise.
And then we have Trillakora, which is an online platform and a sort of a marketplace online for anyone to find anything for their party or their event, whether it's tents or performers or guys doing electricity or
security or whatever.
Yeah.
Everything you need in an event, you can get it from there.
If you are interested in being an event organizer, there are many different paths to do it. I'm a media producer, and I ended up from media to events and fell in love with events, and I've been doing it for about 15 years now. And when I started, when I was still studying, I went into every single event that I possibly could as a volunteer, and did anything that I possibly could so that I could meet people and learn while doing. And I ended up working, and I've never been unemployed since. You can do the job as an employee in a company, organizing festivals or galas or company events, or you can have your own company like we do.
So, what kind of skills do you need to do the job? Well, of course, you need to get along with different sorts of people. You have to be a real bit of a tough guy or a girl, because there are time schedules. You have to make stuff happen in the right time.
And you have to be able to come up with ideas and solutions very quickly.
Yeah.
If a storm comes and everything's a mess and the event starts in 2 hours, you need to find a way to make it happen.
Yeah.
And that's one of the things I love the job the most.
Yeah.
Because, even though those moments might be stressful and you need to be able to handle that, but the moments that you find the solution and still get it to happen, those are the sugar and the salt of the job.
Yeah, we don't have any problems, we only have challenges.
A good thing to realize about events is that what it means to the city where it happens. Because financially for the city, it's a lot bigger than it is for the event itself. So when visitors come to the event, they normally use buses or taxis, and they spend the nights at hotels, and they go and buy clothes or get their hair done. But pretty often the visitors that come to the event end up spending quite a bit more money in the city outside the event. So it 2-day festival usually brings millions of euros to the city outside the event organizer itself.
And I think it's an important job what we do, making people come to the festival, because everybody around the festival, also restaurants and all of those other companies that might not have anything to do with the event, they all benefit from it. Yeah. So how long does it take to make the event work? One day event might take a year or even more to plan. Most of the time we're on the computer, we're talking with phones, finding people there and finding solutions to the challenges.
Yeah, the time spent outside, actually, at the event, that's actually the tiniest part of our job. Mostly we're at the computer just planning it and organizing it.
Yeah, and in meetings and trying to find solutions. And when it's getting closer, of course, we might build a week or even more the event that might actually be a one-day event or even a few hours, and then it's time to dismantle it. So.